going to show you how to set up step by step the Microsoft Surface Pro 8. After we're done the setup, then we'll go ahead and connect the keyboard as well. Now it doesn't matter if you have it in portrait or landscape mode. I'm just going to keep it in landscape mode right here. Go ahead and choose your country or region. I'm in the United States here, so I'm going to go with that. I'm going to tap on yes. My keyboard layout or input method I'm fine with on the US. I'm going to tap on yes. Do you want to add a second keyboard layout? So if you want to, you can go ahead and tap on add layout right here, and you can go ahead and choose another layout here as well. Okay, I don't need another layout. Let me just go back right there. So I don't want a second layout. I'm going to tap on skip for myself. Let's connect to a network. I'm going to go ahead and connect to my home Wi-Fi network. I'm going to tap on connect here, put in my password. After I put in my Wi-Fi password, I'm going to tap on return down here or enter. It's connected, secured. I'm going to tap on next here. Checking for updates. Please review license agreement. Go ahead and read through all this. If you agree to it, you can go ahead and tap on accept down here to proceed. Name your device. You can skip now and do it later, or you can do it right now. I'm just going to go ahead and name this one. I'll just name it one letter, the letter V. And then I'll click on enter or return down here. Let's add your Microsoft account. Go ahead and put your sign-in Microsoft information, email, phone, or Skype. Or if you don't have a Microsoft account, you can create one, or you have other sign-in options as well. Now I do have a Microsoft account. I'm just going to go ahead and put my email address in here. After you put in your sign-in information, you can go ahead and tap down here, enter, or you can just go ahead and close the keyboard and tap on next here. Now they sent me a code to my email, so let me get that code. Okay, I got the code on my email. Let me go ahead and type it in. And mine is 1229634. Then I'll just click on the X and I'll tap on sign in. You can set up a Face ID password. You can skip for now and do it later, or you never have to do it, or you can just do it now. I'm going to go ahead and set mine up. So yes, set up. I'm going to tap right there to give myself a Face ID password. And then from here, I just want to make sure my face is centered, looking directly at the camera. Okay, that's it. You're all set. Let me tap on next now. Now I got to go ahead and create a PIN password. I'm going to tap on create PIN right here. Create a 4-digit PIN here, new PIN, and you want to confirm the PIN again. So let me go ahead and make one here. After you confirm the second time, go ahead and tap on OK. Okay, it says your PIN can't be common number pattern. So let me go ahead and change this again. Okay, now I'll tap on OK down here. And I can X this keyboard out. Now I have two options here. Okay, I can go ahead and restore back to like a month ago when I first got this, but I got it, then I did a factory reset. Okay, so what I want to do now is I just want to set up as a completely new device. So I'll click set up as a new device, tap on next. Privacy settings for your device. These are all optional, okay? It doesn't matter if you check these or check these or uncheck these, but you can go ahead and read through these. The only one I don't want is, I don't care for the advertising ID. Let me take that off, and then I'm going to go ahead and tap on accept. Let's customize your experience. Go ahead and read through this if you want entertainment, gaming, and so on. For me, I'm not interested in any of these. I'm going to go ahead and tap on skip. You can always go back after the setup anytime as well to make those changes. Your Microsoft account and OneDrive, go ahead and tap on, you can learn more, or you can just tap on next, go right to it. So mine says access granted. We're giving you a free trial of Microsoft 365. You can continue, or for me, I don't need it, so I'm going to go ahead and decline it for myself. Here's the Game Pass. Mine says join for $1, but I'm going to skip for now, so I'm going to tap down here. This might take a few minutes. Don't turn off your PC or tablet. I just got a message that says keep your PC plugged in. So just FYI. And there we go. So setup is complete. Now let's go ahead and connect this keyboard here. Now you can see the pen is already working here. Okay, so here's the keyboard. We want to put it on these two right here. So we're just going to go ahead and it's like a magnet, automatically goes in. And you can see the mouse moving now. So it is working. I can go down here. Let's tap on that. And you can see you also have a little pen holder here. And this will charge it here as well. If I put this on here. Oh, there we go. We see that little light right there. And there we go. Okay, and you get a little black stand right here, so it makes it look like a regular laptop, as you can see. And there you go. Questions, issues, comment below. Good luck.